Format numbers in Django templates. I'm trying to format numbers. Examples. It strikes as a fairly common thing to do, but I can't figure out which filter I'm supposed to use. Edit. If you've a generic Python way to do this, I'm happy adding a formatted field in my model.
If you don't want to get involved with locales, here is a function that formats numbers. Creating a custom template filter from this function is trivial.
Django's contributed humanize application does this. Be sure to add django.contribution.humanize to your installed _apps list in the settings.py file.
Regarding Ned Batchelder's solution, here it is with 2 decimal points and a $sign. This goes somewhere like my_app template tags my_filters.py. Then you can.
Building on other answers, to extend this to floats, you can do documentation, float format, int comma.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.